Welcome to another video. Today I want to share the crayon drawing collection. So really enjoying working through crayons. You know, it really surprises me, it continues to surprise me, how amazing crayons actually are. My gosh, I mean, Crayola crayons, they've been underrated. I mean, look, you can get a lot of color, you can get a lot of vibrant tones and different features and all of these tiny little aspects, all of the sort of nuances of these beautiful paintings can in fact be accomplished or achieved with these crayons. In fact, I think crayons complement these classic paintings quite well. And so I will continue to work through this series. This, of course, was Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night, which is one of my favorite paintings for sure. Love the piece, love the man. And then second we did Edvard Munch's The Scream. And you can see, like, look at the colors in here. It's so vibrant. So today I want to work through the third member of the series, a request that comes to us from Codis Offici. So thank you, my friend, very much for the request. And I want to draw one of my favorite pieces by Monet, which is San Giorgio Maggiore at Dusk. Let's see what's possible here today. Let's go. I really enjoyed working on this Monet piece, the third member in our Crayola Crayon classic painting series. This was inspired when he went to Venice, and it is worth $100 million. So I rendered out a $5 version of it, and I think it turned out quite nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to pick up the camera here so you guys can see more of the colors and textures. So it's a really complicated little application process because of the impressionistic brush strokes that he used on the painting. And to accomplish this, I used this tool here to pull some of the wax away where it wasn't necessary to make it look like it was more of a brush stroke technique. So there we go, that is Monet's San Giorgio Maggiore. And at this point I'm wondering, guys, what do you think? How did it turn out? Let me know down in the comment section. Also, what kind of paintings would you like to see in the future drawn with these crayons? So let me know as well. I'll also leave a card for you guys just to make things simple. My name is Kitslam. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please join me over there on Twitch, which is where this took place. And you can find me on Instagram for weekly updates. That's it for me, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you next time.